Want to know how to explore contributions in PlantNet? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your PlantNet website. So you can just simply head towards a web browser and open up PlantNet, and you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're under this interface, make sure you are logged in as well. And we have also created a video on how to log in, so you can just simply watch it. So once you open all of that, on the top left side you should be seeing Explore right here. That should be right beside Identify. So you can just simply select it. Now once you have selected Identify, here you can just simply see various options like species, contributions, groups, and much more. So since we are getting towards contributions, just simply select it. And now once you have selected contributions here, you can just simply explore it. So you can also change it from word flora to much more like useful plants, weeds, and much more with continents as well. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Now you can just simply see all of these contributions, click on it for more description, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.